Hey guys, so the last video I was showing you Brave Browser, how to install it, why it's amazing, and it's still amazing. It's just a little harder to install. But now there's been another update with the Oculus. You can now add on ad blockers onto your browser. I'm going to show you how to do that today. It's not as good as Brave Browser, even though Brave Browser can't do the 3D effect, around you, but this is still pretty good. This is still pretty good. All right. First thing we're going to be doing is clicking Library, finding the browser app, and now that we have it, you're going to see this up here, Extensions. Now I already have 2 extensions in here, but once you click on Manage, so again, Manage, it'll pop this thing up. These will be down here. I recommend AdGuard and Ghostery. Both of these work extremely well. Now, I'm going to show you what happens when you have these things turned off. I'm going to show you, give you some proof that it does work. We're going to go to this, and we'll go to 123 Movies. All right, so Minecraft. There's an ad. It just popped up right there. I'm going to click it again. Okay. All right, we'll play. It's going to play. Yep. Just tried to pause it. Another ad popped up. So 1, 2. So we got in total 2 ads. We could probably play and pause it on that. But if you go to another video, you're going to keep getting these ads over and over and over and over and over. Now, let's get rid of these. We're going to turn this back on. Ghostery tracker, AdGuard, ad blocker. All right, now we're going to refresh this page. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to go back down again. I'm probably going to get flagged for this video because this and many other sites that you're probably not supposed to be sharing. All right, let's click play. Look at that, no ad. No ad.
Second, putting it under my waterbed's a horrible.
And what do you know? It plays. Now let's say I want to click on something else. I'm going to click on this one. Let's go to another one. Let's go to episode 16. Sounds great. Look at that. It just plays. And again, no ads are popping up.
I think your vision is dumb. And I think you're a meathead for thinking that. Look at
such a weird show. Anyways, I hope this helps out. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I am a little slow getting back to people. Sorry about that, but yeah, this is awesome, and I really hope they keep coming up with more things to make the browser more of a mainstream thing. These ad blockers are awesome. Anyways, ciao guys.